Hey, what up guys? Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Selling online courses, perhaps the best method to making money online in 2020. Gonna show you the exact steps. I'm gonna be screen sharing with you. You're gonna learn how to do this yourself, how to set up your own and very first online course, how to get started selling online courses, and you're gonna learn the sales page, the tools, the resources, and everything we use to be able to do this. So first of all, proof. Have I actually done this? Wanna show you in here. Here's this system here, and I think I said 348,000 or something, $368,000 in income here in just a few months. This is just from the last 3.5 months. $368,000. So yes, this can work for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So take a look at this page right over here. This is a sales page for one of my courses. Now, a little tip that I'm going to give you guys is never sell low ticket items. You do not want to sell products for $30, $40, $50, $100, or even $300, $400. And the reason being is it takes so much momentum and so much effort, because as you can imagine, if you're trying to sell an online course, it's kind of a lot harder to find 100 people to buy a $40 product than it is to find 10 people to buy a $1,000 product. So it's much less effort to just provide higher value and sell a course at a higher price. And it also attracts a better type of customer that you actually want to do business, that will keep doing business with you. Now, highly consider subscribing to the channel right now if you haven't already done so. Would highly recommend it if you're trying to get started selling online courses, if you're trying to make money online, or if you're a brick and mortar and you're trying to figure out how to get more leads and sales to your business or your physical location. I'm the guy that everybody comes to build their businesses. Did multiple 7 figures in 2019. I think we've got the right infrastructure to do 8 figures. We're going for 20 million in 2020 here, and I'm not here to teach you that 5, 6 figure or basic 7 figure information. I want you guys to have lethal brands. I want you guys to be able to sell. I want you guys to learn how to close, and I want you guys to learn how to get paid to have a wildly profitable online business. So selling online courses is one of the best ways to do that. This is my sales page here. So one of my courses, I teach how to make money and monetize on Instagram, and this is the sales page for it. So it basically recaps what my offer is. People come to this page, they can see some testimonials on here, they can see money back guarantee, they can see who I am, who's teaching in the course, they see all the modules, and then there's a ton of testimonials here. A whole bunch of video testimonials. Jason Stone, 5 million followers, he endorses it. Leo Ahmad earns about $60,000 a month. He started when he was 17 years old. He's been able to go to Ty Lopez's house. So the point is, it's a good sales page. You know, you got a product, what the product's about, some testimonials, recap the offer. There's even more testimonials in here. And then what happens is they click right here, your one decision away, or they click one of the buy buttons that is probably way down here, like right here, or one of the buy buttons that's way farther up here. And then it goes to an order page, they fill it out, goes to a thank you page. Now, how I'm doing that, if you guys want to know how, by the way, if you're loving this video so far, make sure you smash that like button. Really appreciate it. And I'm also going to be including some resources and a little training for you to get started selling online courses and putting together your very first course. Because if you're sitting here right now going, Ben, how do I get paid for an online course? Can this work for me? Yes, it can. I'm going to teach you how all in this video. So I use ClickFunnels. This is my funnel builder, and you can see I've got sales page templates. So that's my sales page you just saw. They go to the sales page, and then they go to an order form like it says right here. I build out an order form, order confirmation, thank you page, and then there's usually a little link where they can now access the product, go into the members area where they can start training, they can see all the course material, etc. So I use ClickFunnels to be able to build pages like this in my entire funnel, and then once they buy, order form, thank you page, confirmation page, whatever you want to call it, they access the members area. Now, if you guys are looking to get started and want help getting into starting and selling your very first online course, I've included a link in the description to help you guys get started on that. Now, here is the biggest thing, and here's what I love so much about this, okay? You need to be able to take your online course. You need to be able to start selling online courses by taking it on the road. Here's what I mean by that. You want to be able to spend money with people that have never heard of you before and actually make them and want them, encourage them on doing business with you. Think about it. That's the ultimate test. If there's 8 billion people in the world, and a huge portion of them, I guarantee, want to know the knowledge that you have, want to learn about your field of expertise. If you can pay to get in front of those people, that's what social media is for. That's what Google, that's what YouTube, that's what Facebook ads are for. It's accelerated growth. So many people stay small and think, oh, I'll just network, I'll just get free traffic. No, free traffic ends up being people that mooch, want things for free, don't have the mental capacity or the intellect to actually buy your online course, let alone be the type of customer you want. So when you pay to get in front of people, you can pay to get in front of the exact people you want. So I only target people that I know have money, can spend $1,000 or more, want to do business with me, and then ultimately I'll be able to upsell to higher products and services, $6,000, $8,000, $25,000 above and beyond. So here's where, in just the past few months, look at the ad spend here. There's like $10,000 here, there's $22,000, $29,000, $25,000. I'm spending money to get in front of these people and make that $368,000. Now this system right here, I haven't integrated all the upsells and the downsells. So when I just showed you spending about $80,000 on ads there, here's the reality is all of these clients come in, they initially buy my front end product, which is priced around $1,000. They are actually introduced to upsells and downsells that are going to help them increase their results with the original product that they've purchased. And then on the back end, we make calls, we have a sales team, we email market, we run other ads to them because now they're in our circle. It's an even lesser cost to be able to market ads to them. And then we upsell them on other products and services. And in the grand scheme of things, we have multiple people buy $6,000 products from us and services, $25,000 products and services. So this isn't the only income, okay? This is closer to $600,000 in the last 4 months. So selling online courses is highly profitable, and I recommend that you start looking at what you can do to be able to sell your own online course. As a matter of fact, in the comments, let me know what you consider yourself to be an expert of or have a lot of knowledge in. I reply to every single one of my comments. Let me know what your thoughts are at this point of what you could sell for your own online course. Let me know in the comments, okay? So you want to be able to use something like ClickFunnels, very important, okay? And I'll be teaching you this in the program that I'm going to give you guys access to, links in the description. You're going to want to use ClickFunnels. You're going to want to build sales pages like this, and you record your training, you put it into a members area, you sell your course. So those are like the ins and outs of selling online courses, and I showed you proof. I showed you that you can do this, and here's the thing. If you're thinking, well, Ben, can I do this because I'm in, massage therapy, I'm a chiropractor, I'm in sports medicine, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, I'm a landscaper, I do stuff with e-commerce, I build my own wood furniture. Yes, there's a lot of people that want to learn how to do what you do. People have sold online courses about building potato guns before. You can do it. Hey, smash the like button if you love this video so far. Once again, make sure you're subscribed, and definitely hit that link in the description so you can get started selling online courses. I've included a link in the description. It's going to invite you to a free 30-minute training that I put together for you guys. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything but your time. It's about 31 minutes long, just under 31 minutes. Now, here's the other really cool thing, all right? If you can get an online course put together and you're able to take it on the road, you now have a business that's sustainable, it's profitable, and it's here to stay, okay? This is not a short-term thing. This is why selling online courses is the ultimate online business, because it's entirely residual, because you can automate it, because you can leverage systems like I have to do all the work for you and the heavy lifting. And then when you can take it on the road and sell to people that have never heard of you before and they actually want to do business with you, you have an infinite business that will survive for years and years to come. All right, so make sure you click the link in the description, hit up that online course, and I'm super excited to tell you guys that I just finished publishing the new book. Now, I know it's called American Mediocrity right here. It's gonna be available online and in stores very soon. I just got my own copy of this, and I'm looking here, I am gonna make some changes. One, I'm gonna move to a hardcover. Two, I've already written 3 more chapters that I was inspired to write and put them in here. And it's all about sales, politics, millennials. I think the millennials need some help, I honestly do. And success, finding mentors, getting access to the right information. I share with you my story, struggles that I've been through, how I came through it, how I persevered, went through the other side. A lot of really important people in my life. So we're gonna go to a hardcover. We're gonna change some of the font in here, and I need to have a better feeling page, all right? So that'll be available soon. What are you gonna do in getting started selling your very first online course? Let me know what that course would be in the comments, and make sure you get your hands on the training. Links in the description. I expect to see you there.